Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying permissions. Make sure you are a Teams admin or have explicit app install rights. Once done, obtain the ChatGPT/OpenAI API key or confirm Microsoft Copilot access because authentication determines the integration path. Next, choose your delivery method: App Studio with a custom app manifest, the Teams App Store listing, or a ready-made bot connector. You move fast from setup to action. Create the app stub in App Studio and set identifiers and scopes so Teams can target your bot. Now you configure the core connection. Deploy a bot endpoint on HTTPS with a valid certificate. Teams requires secure callbacks. Once deployed, map the Teams app ID to your OpenAI API key or register the bot in Azure Bot Service and configure credentials. Then update the Teams app manifest to include messaging endpoints, required permissions, and SSO scopes. Set message handlers and proactive messaging if needed. After that, sideload the app into a test team so you can verify authentication and basic prompt response behavior. Finish by sideloading the app into a controlled test team and running scripted prompts to confirm behavior and formatting. Make sure responses, cards, and attachments render correctly and that you handle errors gracefully. Monitor server logs and OpenAI/Azure usage to tune rate limits and token refresh flows. Rotate keys if needed. If things break, one key troubleshooting tip: verify SSL trust, CORS headers, and Azure AD consent for the app. Most failures stem from authentication, certificate, or permission mismatches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.